Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Now, what I want you to do is to keep watching for my review. There is no heat recommendation on this unit. Also, you will receive some shedding from this yaki texture. Remember, she's either handmade or machine made.
Hey guys, we're going to do something a little bit different today. As you see, I have braids in my hair. I've been doing the protective styling ever since this pandemic has started. And yeah, I'm going to let my hair stay braided for a while. But I wanted to just do an unboxing of a new wig from the Modu Anytime collection. Her name is Neola. I'll have the name and the photo on the screen. Now, this is how she's going to come to you in this box. Really nice box. Very durable, very sturdy. And if when you take your wig out and you want somewhere to put it, you make a great storage if you want to put your wigs back into something, okay? This is the wig straight out of the packaging. Since she's a Swiss lace front, you're going to get this soft material right here on the front of your lace front wig so that it will stay in a great shape for you when you get it. It's also going to be in a netting, okay? Yeah, this is a color number 4, if I haven't said. But she is a yaki textured, beautiful unit with curls. Again, this is her straight out of the packaging. This is the parting on the unit, straight out of the packaging. All you need to do is use some of your favorite powder or your foundation. She has these beautiful yaki textured curls, very, very lightweight, really nice. Let's do that 360 on her again. Again, this is her straight out of the packaging. Now she has these bendable ear tabs on the side. She has 2 combs where the parting area is. She has this soft Swiss lace that you will have to cut, ladies, okay? So this is the back of the cap. As you see, you're going to have nice ventilation with this wig, ladies. So she is summer ready. She has a comb in the back and she has the adjustable straps that you can adjust this unit to fit your head. Now, for you ladies that have a lot of hair, since I'm not able to put this wig on, I was just stretching the cap to see how much give that you would have with this wig, and this cap really stretches, so she should be big head friendly. The curls are really, really beautiful, right? Straight out of the packaging. Now, if you would like to manipulate these curls on this unit, my advice to you would be to put some foam wrap on this unit and then manipulate the curls so you can cut down on some of the frizz. Now, where you can find this beauty, I will have the website down in my description box. Now, the website name is Volunic. Now, Volunic is having a sale. And ladies, you know we love a sale. Now, if you go on their site and you spend over $100, they're going to take 25% off of your total. So be sure to click on that link below, okay, and save you some money. Definitely. She is a beautiful Swiss lace front center part wig from the Modu Anytime collection. She is a yaki texture, okay? She's very soft, and these are the curls straight out of the packaging, lady. So she is a ready-to-go unit. Thanks so much for watching my show and tell, or you can call it unboxing, something that I normally do not do, but because we are wearing a protective style, this is the way we are rolling as of right now. But she is a beautiful piece. Be sure to check her out, add her to your wig collection. Okay, bye-bye.